Struggling to get your videos seen on YouTube? Yeah, I've been there. With billions of videos uploaded on YouTube, even the best content can end up buried. You pour your time into editing, scripting, making it perfect, only for the algorithm to give you... So I decided to try something different. I bought 1,000 YouTube views for just $3. No bot, no fake traffic, just real human views. And honestly, the results were absolutely insane. But here's the big question. Does it actually work long term? Is it safe? Or is it just one of those risky shortcuts? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process I use, from the site I bought from to the analytics, to whether it's actually worth your money or just a waste of time. So make sure you stick around till the end. Let's get into it. First of all, go to Nazop.com from the link provided in the description or comments box. After arriving here, sign up with your Google account or log in with your email. I recommend signing up with your Google account. After creating an account, you'll see the Nazop dashboard. Now, let's go to YouTube, where I will show you the YouTube video I will be using. As you can see, it has only 9 views at the moment. Once that is done, let's head back to Nazop. Let me show you how to add funds on Nazop. Click on deposit. Nazop supports several payment options, including crypto, Payer, Perfect Money, bank transfer, and cards. I personally chose crypto and $100, for example, and received a $9 bonus after completing your details and clicking pay. Here, the funds will be added to your account immediately. After some funds has been deposited, click on the new order section. Scroll down a little. You'll find a section where options for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more are available. Click on YouTube. Now, if you look here, a variety of YouTube services will appear, such as YouTube Views Not Guaranteed, YouTube Views Guaranteed, and Targeted Country Views. I chose YouTube Views Guaranteed, which fits my budget and costs $3 for 1,000 views. The service description will appear in front of you, which includes estimated start time, average speed of 5,000 per day, quality reel, with a 30-day refill guarantee. Then below this, there will be some important notes that state: ensure your account is set to public before placing an order. Avoid changing your username while the order is ongoing, as it might interfere with the delivery process. Having more than one active order for the same link might cause delivery delays. So wait for your initial order to be completed before submitting another one for the same link. After confirming everything here, go to YouTube, copy the link of the video from here, and come back to Nazop and go to your link section, paste your link here. Then below, you will find amount wanted section, where you have to enter the amount, meaning how many views you want to buy. I will write 1,000 here. If you look at the cost, it is $3, which is affordable. After confirming everything, click on the purchase button, and your order will be placed. Now, within a few minutes, views will start appearing on your YouTube video. If you look here, I have received 1,000 views on my YouTube video. The main benefit of these views is that it's going to help your video rank higher, appear on more search results, and gain algorithmic traction. Before we go, let me inform you that we are hosting a giveaway on the Social Growth channel, where you can win views for your YouTube video. If you want to participate, comment Social Growth and mention your username in the comment section of this video. Winners will receive their rewards in the next video. This was a short method on how to buy views for your YouTube video. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. And I'll see you in the next one.